Tesla do the safety, they use different type. You know, Tesla, they don't have OBD2 power, so when we do the safety, it's very different from others. So today I will show you how to do for that one. This is Tesla Model Y, I think. I will show you what to do this one. Because Tesla, they don't have OBD2 port. So they're different for the regular